Okay, welcome back to the smoke management registration video series. So the first thing you want to do is after you get your new registration or your part one received, you can start the data entry process flow, which you can see here on the right. And you might be asking, well, what is a part one received? Well, let's take a look at that. That could look like this guy, which says the Oregon Smoke Management Registration Part 1, and it requests and asks for all the intel you're going to need for your registration, such as your registration number, your district ID, ownership code, the cell name, your township, your range, your section, your latitude, longitude, county, distance from a smoke sensitive receptor area, unit acres, etc. All this information is going to be needed before you start your registration process. So make sure you have this intel gathered up for your units. Another smoke registration form you might see could look like this guy that looks more like a form, Smoke Management Registration Part 1 of 3. And when we say Part 1 of 3, Part 1 is the registration, Part 2 is going to be the planning, and Part 3 is going to be the accomplishment. But again, it asks for the same information, just in a little bit more user-friendly way to put it down. A lot of landowners appreciate this style. It just depends on what you get. Or maybe you're just going from scratch, and that's fine too. All of these forms can be found within the smoke management website under the smoke management forms right here. And under that tab, these are those same forms I just showed you. There are different formats like fillable Excel, printable Word, fillable form part 1, etc. So that's where you can find that information, along with much other information, including your map of smoke regulated use areas, etc. So this is your go-to place. That is Oregon.gov/ODF/fire/pages/burn.aspx. Okay, so let's take a look at our registration process when we're going to begin to create it.